Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing lower on Monday, pressured by shares in consumer durables and apparel, food and staples retailing, and pharmaceuticals, biotech, and life sciences sectors. Now advancers beating out decliners, 59% of SP 500 constituents trading lower yesterday. Now, after the market closed, Alcoa reporting first quarter adjusted EPS of 7 cents on lower sales of $4.95 billion. Marathon Oil saying that it has signed agreements for the sale of certain non-core assets for $950 million, bringing the total to approximately $1.3 billion last year, and Boeing having preliminary discussions in Tehran with Iranian Airlines regarding the potential sale of its planes and aircraft services. Keeping overseas, Asian markets mixed today. The Nikkei up 1.13%, the Hang Seng up 0.31%, while South Korea's Kospi up 0.56%. European markets are rebounding, and U.S. futures calling for a positive open. Now, in terms of what to expect today out of the United States, CSX first quarter EPS seen at 37 cents on sales of approximately $2.7 billion, and faster than all, that's first quarter EPS seen at 45 cents on sales of approximately $990 million. Moving on to the economic docket, we have in the afternoon at 8:30 in the morning first, March import prices coming in for the month of March, month over month, expected at 1.1%, while in the afternoon, the March monthly budget statement that's expected to come in at negative $104 billion. Now, in terms of the major markets, Trading Central sees the SP 500 in a period of consolidation. The relative strength index that's mixed with a bearish bias, so short positions below 2057 are favored, with targets at 2026 and 2020 in extension. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, seeing its key resistance at 4510, preferring short positions below 4510, and the Dow Jones sees a consolidation in place, preferring short positions below 17,650.